Hey everyone, we're back in East Arlington to take a look at our latest townhouse development. Welcome to 27 Windsor Street. This beautiful townhouse leaves nothing to be desired across 4 levels of living, comprised of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an expansive outdoor space, as well as 2 parking spaces. Situated in the heart of East Arlington, you are seconds from Mass Ave and all the amenities it has to offer. You are a short distance from the Alewife T-stop, as well as the Route 2 and Alewife Brook Parkway. Thanks for taking a look at this great upcoming listing. We're excited to see you at open houses this weekend. For more information, go to santanateam.com.